Welcome to the Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make a milk chocolate ganache. I'm just going to tare my little scale. I'm using a 1 cup measure. This is 250 milliliters. Just going to scoop some out. Get about 1 cup. And I'm hitting exactly 185 grams. So that's what we're going to be using for the first part of our recipe. I'm going to get that into our bowl. And then the second ingredient that we need is whipping cream. This is 35% cream, and I'm getting 233 grams. So this is also 250 milliliters or 233 grams. I'm going to take our cream, we'll get this into a measuring cup. And then I'm going to heat this in the microwave until it's hot. Okay, that's good. I'm going to microwave this and I'll be back. So I've microwaved my whipping cream, and I'm just going to give it a little stir here. And I am going to check the temperature because I know somebody might ask. It's very, very hot, and I've got 182 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this point, I'm just going to take the cream, pour it right on the top, and that's all we need to do. So at this point, you want the whipping cream and the milk chocolate to slowly become friends. You want to just have everything slowly incorporate. So at this point, don't do anything. Just let the heat of the cream start melting that chocolate. So I'm going to leave that there for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and we're just going to start slowly whisking it, and you're going to see the magic happen. Everything was just going to come together really, really nicely. So this is 3 minutes later. I'm going to grab a little whisk. Just going to start right in the middle. You can already see that that chocolate has melted, and then we're just going to start stirring like this. Look at that. Oh, and this smells really good. So there we have it. And that's how easy it is to make chocolate ganache. So in this video I showed you how to use milk chocolate to make a chocolate ganache. On my YouTube channel, Bake Like a Pro, I do have many other videos showing you how to make different types of ganaches. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.